Welcome! If you've ever wanted to save a photo from WhatsApp on your PC, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with the latest update. Saving photos from WhatsApp on your computer is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Now, find the photo you want to save. This could be a photo from any chat, whether it's a personal message or a group chat. Just scroll through and locate the image you're looking for. Once you've found the photo, go ahead and open the photo by clicking on it. This will open the image in full screen so you can view it clearly before saving it. Next, you'll notice some options at the top of the photo. Click on the three dots, located at the top right corner of the photo viewer. This will bring up a menu with several options. From there, click Save As. A dialog box will appear asking where you want to save the file. Choose the location on your PC where you'd like to store the photo, whether it's your desktop, a specific folder, or any other location you prefer. Finally, make sure everything looks good, and then confirm the steps by clicking Save or OK. Your photo is now saved to your computer, ready for you to view anytime. And that's it. You've successfully saved a photo from WhatsApp on your PC.